Hey guys, welcome to Anijam. So, Fruit Love Island is everywhere right now. Let's dive in and see how we can use Anijam to recreate that vibe in record time. First, we just hop in and tell the agent what our story is about. Make a romance reality show story where Mr. Banarita and Ms. Manzanita fell in love, but later Mr. Banarita cheated and the affair was with Ms. Frazita. Then, Anijam brings us straight into the canvas. And here we are. This is the workspace. Think of the agent here as your creative partner helping you build the animation from scratch. We have two options, AI Director or Workflow. We're going with Workflow mode because it gives us total control. You can literally talk through every detail with the agent as you go. Now for the setup. Audience, platform, ratio, audio. Let's just keep the duration at a minute for now. Hit confirm and we're good to go. The agent is cranking out the story outline. And there it is. Now let's nail down the look. We'll head over to the style library. It's packed with presets. There are a large number of style presets available to choose from. Let's go with Toon Face. Styles locked in. Time for concept design. Check this out. Let's generate the whole batch. The results are solid, right? Moving on to the script. The agent has already broken down every single shot for us. Let's add some lines. I'll let the agent do its thing and get creative here. Honestly, not bad at all. Now for the keyframes, and this is where it gets insane. The agent handles the whole batch in one go. The visual logic between shots is seamless, and the quality is crisp. Looks ready. Let's hit generate. I'm going to skip ahead a bit so you don't have to wait. And boom, we're basically done. Let's have the agent sync everything to the timeline. Quick preview.
Manzanita, will you go out with me?
Yes! Yes!
Looking good. Exactly what I was looking for. Finally, let's export. Of course, you can always tweak it in post. I actually threw this into AE for some final polish and added one extra shot. Let's see the final cut.
Welcome to Fruit Island, I'm Charita. Today, things get sticky. Will Banarita and Manzanita finally sweeten up, or is their flame about to sour? Let's find out.
Manzanita, will you go out with me?
Yes! Yes, I will!
Manzanita, you are the only person I ever want to protect in this lifetime.
Some fruits get a little too sweet. Maybe it's time for a change of flavor. Being with her, does it actually make you happy?
When I'm with you, I finally feel like I'm alive.
No. I gave you everything I had. How could you do this to me? You said it yourself. I was your only one.
Manzanita, I can explain.
Take your roses and get out of my life, Four!